Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, make sure your site runs over HTTPS or localhost because browsers block notifications otherwise. Register a service worker with Navigator, Service Worker. Register/SW, JS, and implement basic install/activate handlers. Next, request notification permission with notification. Request permission. If the user grants, proceed. If denied, stop and show fallback. Once done, prepare the Vapid public key for push subscription and store it server-side. Make sure to use the right key pair for subsequent push endpoint registry. You now create the push subscription. Wait for Navigator, Service Worker. Ready, then call registration. Push Manager. Subscribe, user visible only, true, application server key, URL base 64 to uint 8 array Vapid public. Convert and send the return subscription JSON to your server and store endpoint and keys. On the server, use a web push library to craft a payload, sign with your Vapid private key, and post to the push service. Make sure to include TTL and content encoding headers. This ensures browsers can decrypt payloads correctly when delivered. You finish by implementing push handling in SW. JS, listen for push parse event. Data, JSON. If present, then call self. Registration. Show notification title options, add actions and a click handler to route users. Once done, test across browsers and devices. If notifications fail, check. Permission state whether the subscription expired, mismatched Vapid keys, or server-side errors in sending. As a troubleshooting tip, resubscribe the client and compare the endpoint keys. Mismatch, there is often the single culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.